You're afraid of the camera, aren't you, Aberdabber? Do something. Pretty bird. See, there's your cage. Think over there. Looks like her water, I don't know. There's some food. Some more food. Something doesn't look quite right about that water. It looks like a bath, maybe. There's a ladder. Do something, Abby. You're on camera. Be fun. Do something crazy. We all know you're cute, but stop being cute and start being crazy for me. You're not very active today.
They're close, I think.
There we go. Fluff up your wings. Atta girl, now you're making noise.
I'll tell them. No, I got to turn it off yet. I'll tell them to let you know.
Yeah, please.
Okay. So that's the halfway cup order. Okay?
Nice try, Abby. But try again.
There, lay back and relax for 2 minutes. Okay? We'll pick you up in the morning.
Got you from behind.
Want a cookie to chew on? Okay.
Probably want a cracker. You're so darn cute, Abby.